Kata ini kata kita makan makan masuk ya.
Talk about dependence. Some people will think of the funky haircuts, tattoos, earrings, the fun stuff. Oh, the color is there again. Success must have gone to his head.
It's easy to judge when you only see one side. I've had my share of struggles too. And success has not made my life any easier.
I still swear up like a signal. Every single day. But some people don't see that. But you don't complain when you're too busy chasing a dream. You get out, okay.